Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
South Africa is a movie. We live in a drama. It's a series. Every day you will be shocked by something new. We have even forgotten what shocked us 2 weeks ago.
Akonakele ku-ANC. Yabona ke manje bajikelene labantu. Ufikile Mbalula ngolwesihlanu. Ubhale nasi statement wathi the African National Congress ANC has noted recent allegations that certain individuals including Mr. Oupa Brown Mokgotsi are alleged to be involved in serious organized criminal activity. Our membership records confirm that Mr. Mokgotsi's ANC membership has expired. We now can confirm that Mr. Mokgotsi is therefore not an ANC member. Uyibhale ngolwesihlanu ngomhla ka-3 ku-October 2025 wase-attach-a ke i-statement ebesiphelezela le post lekade eyibhalile esazisa ukuthi uBrown Mokgotsi akaseyona imember noma akayona imember ye-ANC, ubeyiyo kodwa ilokuzana i-membership yakhe expire. Sakuzwa lokho, sitheze sakuzwile lokho, selilandela lolu daba. Nange-Saturday futhi waphinde wakhuluma nabezindaba uMbaksi, wabona ukuthi no funeka le ndaba aphinde ayi-address futhi le kaBrown Mokgotsi, futhi aphinde akugcizelele ukuthi abantu abanjengoBrown Mokgotsi ibona laba abafaka i-ANC ehlazweni, abenza ukuthi i-ANC ibe seyindabeni okungafanele ibe kuzo. Wakhuluma kanje.
Brown Mokgotsi, your favorite person. Let me explain Brown Mokgotsi. Mokgotsi was a member of the ANC. He did not occupy any significant role in the African National ANC except being a member whose membership expired. If it was not because of this process, we wouldn't have known about that character. Let us be honest with you. But Mokgotsi is not alone. There are many such characters who have infiltrated the ANC. You can ask yourself, a person who's so low in the ANC, how does he have control and be accused of big things like what we are reading? That tells you a story that the ANC is infiltrated as a party. And that is why we say, keep the cycle bigger, but know your cycle as a leader.
Akukuningi akushilo uMbaksi, kodwa lokho nje ngicabanga ukuthi kubalekile lokho akubekile ukuthi uBrown Mokgotsi akaseyona imember. Wabala ke zonke izinto angasazibala. Namhlanje i-SABC yeyamthola uBrown Mokgotsi, yaba ne-exclusive interview naye. Akagcinanga ngokukhuluma lapho, uphinde futhi uBrown Mokgotsi wakhuluma neNewsroom Africa. Kunomuntu ukuthi angimazi ngizothi iposition yakhe uyini lapha ku-ANC, kodwa eNorthwest ukhulume noSamkele Maseko, naye waqinisekisa ukuthi impela uBrown Mokgotsi akayona imember ye-ANC. Ngesikhathi ekhuluma ne-SABC uBrown Mokgotsi ukhulume kanje.
I've seen those communications and the utterances by the Secretary General. But let me confirm something to you. I'm a member of the ANC in good standing. I have also, attempted to send you some proof that my membership only expires at the end of October. But it is not the Secretary General who has the power to do that. My branch, which I have communicated with, and they are aware that my membership only expires at the end of October.
Njengobumuzwa kuBrown Mokgotsi ethi ukuzwile okusho ufikile Mbalula, kodwa yena i-membership yakhe expire end of October. End of October. I-membership yakhe i-expire end of October. Le nto esho ufikile Mbalula shouthi ayikho ngoba uthi yena he's a member ye-ANC in good standing. Usho njalo uBrown Mokgotsi mayeziphendulela. Kunzima manje lapha ku-ANC ngoba kujikijelwana ngamagama. Kujikijelwana ngamagama. Ziningi ke izinto ayishilo uBrown Mokgotsi ngofikile Mbalula. Futhi ngiyafisa ukuzicaphuna lezo zinto. Uzongixolela kokunye angizokufaka ivideo. Kuzoba i-audio kodwa uzozizwa lezi zinto ayishoyo uBrown Mokgotsi ngofikile Mbalula. Kodwa asiqale kule ndoda yase-North-West ngoba uyayiphendula nayo futhi uBrown Mokgotsi.
Good afternoon, Dr. Sam. No, Brown Mokgotsi is not a member of the African National Congress. Brown Mokgotsi's membership expired in 2020. Our records, our systems, which is clear that he has expired in 2020. The ANC process says once you finish a year without even expiring, without renewing your membership, you are not a member of the African National Congress. So he's not a member of the African National Congress as he stated. We have also confirmation from the branch that this doesn't have in our branch membership it appears as expired. So he's not participating at the branch, he's not an active member of the ANC, therefore he's not a member of the ANC.
Provincial Secretary lo we-ANC e-North-West uthi ucommunicate-ile ne-branch. Ngakho-ke futhi membership kaBrown Mokgotsi ya-expire ngo-2020. Yabona manje into esiyenziwa yi-ANC ukuthi njengoba kuvele lezi zinto ezivelile kwi-commission kaMadlanga sebefuna ukuzidistansa noBrown Mokgotsi, kungabi nalutho nje ezohlanganisa i-ANC noBrown Mokgotsi. Iyona into abazama ukuyenza ngoba into abalwa nayo ukulungisa umonakalo. Kodwa ngathi lo monakalo bawulungisa kabi ngoba bawulungisa kwi-media. Bawulungisa kwi-media bonke. uBrown Mokgotsi-ke ziningi izinto ayishilo futhi waze washo ukuthi uma ngabe kuzothiwa yena akufanelanga abe yimember ye-ANC ngenxa ama-allegations, hayi kufanele nofikile Mbalula angabi yimember ke ANC ngaleso sizathu. Uma ngabe ngenxa yokuthi yena ubexhumene no Kurt Matlala kufanele ke noMbalula ngoba naye wayexhumene nendoda ekuthiwa uVusikhekhe, leyo ndoda igwetshiwe njengoba sikhuluma, fanele ngabe akasiyo uSecretary General.
Let me give you an example. The provincial secretary of the ANC, he just came out and said my membership expired in 2022. The man is never in office. Maybe he comes to the office 5 times a year. I have, that I'm saying I'm going to share with you before the end of the interview, a proof that on the 11th, the secretary of the branch downloaded the membership where I appear as number 16, the branch, together with the other, we are 438 in total. So the provincial secretary cannot just say I'm not a member. But
Caphunela le nkulumo ngoba ukhulumile uprovincial secretary. Umzwile nawe njengoba ade khuluma esho ukuthi i-membership kaBrown Mokgotsi ya-expire ngo-2020. Kodwa uthi lo muntu akezi nokuza ebranchini ngonyaka ufika kawu-5. So ufana nomuntu ongazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. Sho njalo uBrown Mokgotsi. Lo muntu ofana nomuntu ongazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. Fana nomuntu ongazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani ngempela. Ya konakele ngempela konakele. Le interview njengoba ngicaphunela ni audio ayiyona ivideo ile kade uBrown Mokgotsi ayenze lapha ku Newsroom Africa. So konakele, it's comrade. Kunzima mhlanje. Yabona makuthiwa impi isekhaya. Hayi isekhaya ngempela kulokho ingane kaThambo zidlana zodwa manje. Asiphinde siqhubeke.
Fikile Mbalula is bringing this to the Madlanga Commission. He's bringing ANC as a third party affected with merely 5%. He's now bringing it into this thing. It's not about bringing the organization into this repute. Fikile Mbalula is bringing the ANC into this thing. Look, during the January 8th, he was in a boat. Let me tell you, officials of the ANC, the president and the rest, they were traveling in a boat, 6 of them, to Robben Island. Fikile alone, he came with a very lavish boat owned by a foreign company. Did we say, where did you get this? And him saying, because I'm implicated, his wife in Free State, he was involved in the housing scandal, where he is a direct beneficiary because he's the husband. Did you say, no, Sukile, don't be a Secretary General? He flew with Vusi Keke to wherever abroad and they came back. Vusi Keke was finally convicted and sentenced. Did we say, no, Baba, you are related to a murderer? He's a murderer, he's a killer. He's been sentenced. It is because we know when you meet someone, he doesn't say, I'm a thief. Even when you apply for a job, Scully, where you are, you can never say, watch me, I'm a thief.
Yeah.
A person ends up stealing when you get there. Even Ket, when I met him, you saw pictures and videos of Ket with the president. He never said, hey, Ramaphosa, I'm a thief. I'm a what? No, whatever he does privately has nothing to do with the discussion you are having with the businessman at the moment.
Yeah.
Or at that particular yes.
Okay, so your argument, Brown Mokhotsi, as we end the conversation, is that if you are being labeled as corrupt for what you have allegedly done, therefore, Fikile Mbalula should also be in the same situation. Is that your argument?
As a member of the ANC, if he accuses me that I should not be a member because I'm linked to Ket, when he was linked, when he is actually linked, they even brought R. Kelly together with Vusi Keke. Yes, he can as well step aside with a convicted criminal. And someone who Ket is not yet convicted, Kito is not found guilty, he is actually arrested for attempted murder. But now, bring the two. Why is it that Brown Mokhotsi, I wish you could come to my game. Like, hey, man, I can't believe this. I can't believe this.
Yabona mangathi khona engizokuphawula ngizobe ngiyayona lenkulumo. Uma ngase ngithi nje khona engakuphawula ngizobe lenkulumo ngiyayona. Angena amanzi endlini ANC. Konakele. Yabona manje into eyenzakalayo. Hayi omunye nomunye ukhomba omunye esweni ilona lo vikela iso lakhe. Ngoba manje sekufuneka wazi imfihlo ethize ngomunye asebenzise yona ukuze akwazi ukuphuma enkingeni. Yabona manje uBrown Mokhotsi ulanda ikandale kwavela kulo nekuthinteka kuze unkosikazi wakhe uFikile Mbalula. Uthi uma ngabe uFikile Mbalula azangasolwe, azangithiwa ngoba umkakho ubenefite direct ungabi member yeANC, ungabi ingxenye yeANC. Kuza kanjani kuye? Ukhuluma nento yenza ngoJanuary. Sayikhava indaba khona. Ukuthi bahamba bonke ngomkhumbi na wafika ngeyachi. Yedwa nje uFikile Mbalula. Siyakhumbula sakhuluma ngalelo daba. Uthi kodwa konke lokho akuzange kubalwe. Akuzange kushiwo ukuthiwa ungasabi imember, ungasabi uSecretary General. Kodwa ngenxa ukuthi ngoba yena uBrown Mokhotsi and ama-allegations awaka-prove lama-allegations. Awaka-prove. Kodwa uFikile Mbalula seka-jump into conclusions. Behlangane naloya provincial secretary oyaka u5 ebranchini ngonyaka. Uyabona lelo gama lishutha akazi lutho lo muntu ngento ezenzeka ebranchini. Ngoba uyaka u5 ngonyaka. Abantu bakithi konakele. Washo umcebo odlame nothi South Africa idrama. I-movie series. Ngempela yazi udusanake lokho kuvela kunye. Kusasa ke kuqala i-ad hoc committee. Umama lo uDion Kolabanathi kade ekhuluma nabezindaba. Wathi ulindele ukuthi umkhwanazi axolise. Futhi ahoxisa amazwi amagama akhe awashilo ngaye mayekhuluma kwi-commission kaMadlanga. So kusasa sobe sibuka i-commission simagange sifuna ukuzwa ukuthi kahle kahle uzothi no phela umama lo uyingxenye ad hoc committee. Uyingxenye ad hoc committee. Yena lo uthi uzolindela ukuthi umkhwanazi ahoxisa amagama akhe axolise ngokummenshina lapha ambale njengomuntu walekhi information noma wakhipha information ecrime intelligence okwakungafanele ayikhiphe. Hayikonakela. Angiyibambe le video. Ingazibe yinde kakhulu. Bengahlosanga kwenza le video ukuthi nje ngoba lezi zinto mawuloku uzibona ngithi angidlule kuzo. Angidlule kuzo sikhulume ngazo. Ngicela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho la ku comment section. Ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani kulonke lolu daba esixoxa ngalo. kuningi kakhulu akushilo uBrown Mokgotsi kwi-interview ye-SABC, kwi-interview abenayo ne-Newsroom Africa, kuningi. Kodwa-ke ngeke sikwazi ukuqeda konke. Bengithi nje ngikucaphunele lezi zinto. Kusekuningi esengakhuluma ngakho. Uyabona nje, ngicanga ukuthi ngizokwenza ivideo eseceleni ngoba ukhuluma ngokususpendwa kuka-General Sibiya. So leko kufuna ukuthi ngenze ivideo eseceleni ngizokuchaza ukuthi uGeneral Sibiya ususpendwa on which basis and why asuspendwa. Isinqumo esathathwa inkantolo sathathwa yayitheni i-affidavit ka-General Fani Masemola. Ama-arguments wakhe head of arguments ngesikhathi babekhuluma kulolu daba wathini. Manje uma ngase silande yonke inkulumo kaBrown Mokgotsi ifuna si-break it down ngoba inezinye izinto ezivelayo efuneka sizi-correct ngoba uma ingaqhubeka ngale narrative ayiveze ngayo izozwakala kabi kwabanye abantu. Asibambe ivideo, ngicela ukuze uphola kwakho.